Yeah, you up, mate? You good?
What was you trying to tell me?
Huh?
What was you trying to tell me over there?
Yeah.
I thought you was pointing.
No, it's just...
I don't know what you was doing that. I thought, oh shit, is that a cop? Now. How are we doing now, boy?
Morning, mate.
You good, homeboy?
How you doing, mate? You good?
You gave me one of those.
You alright?
I'm good, mate.
How you doing, Dave? You good?
I'm good, yes.
You got a leak?
No, I've just jet washed it.
Oh, right, okay.
I think it was running a bit off.
Oh, right, okay.
Water somewhere.
Shit.
Fucking hell.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, like...
Fucking savage.
My fucking eyeballs are fucking vibrating.
What am I in front of you?
Get up.
Fucking hell. I'll be lying, Craig. Roy is going to go back to his garage and put his race fit on in a minute.
Don't tempt me. If it wasn't for my fucking ears, I would.
Can you hear me, Greg? Yeah. Oh, I was checking. Nice and clear. Nice and clear. Oh, heavy cut. Are we all ready? All ready to roll. No car, what am I on about? Fucking hell.
In 50 yards, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Chester Road South, A449.
He's a bit of a cunt, wasn't he?
Go.
In 300 yards, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Worcester Road,
Stuck at the
A449.
roundabout, guys. Oh, I'll slow plow. I'll put in when I can, mate. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell, they're probably going to get stuck on this light as well.
In half a mile,
Yeah, I'm
at
heading
the
to the bus
roundabout,
stop.
take the second exit and stay on Worcester Road, A449.
Yeah, they come. Go. It's alright, carry on. We'll follow you. Go.
Watch you go.
It's slipping here. Tell me where he made me shiver. With every postcard you deliver. Oh, my fucking helmet's so uncomfortable today. I don't know why. I think my balaclava's a bit rolled up or something. Fucking hell, he's taking a corner. It's like a savage. Only on that fucking
Exit the roundabout onto Worcester Road.
It's fucking isn't he?
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Droidwich Road, A442.
What shoes have you got on, Roy?
TCX.
Oh, Italian.
Yeah, nice fucking shoes, mate.
Italian made. Italian.
Take the next left
Yeah.
onto Droidwich Road,
I wish I
A442.
had the old Italian fucking penis. Well, I'm not far away, to be fair.
You will ride in this.
Your cock is extended with that fucking Ducati, mate. I can see it.
Mate, I have to tuck my cock into my sock.
You got a socky cock?
Cocky sock.
Fucking hell. Here we go. And it begins.
And it begins. Oh, mate, riding without a pillion on this bike is fantastic.
In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, continue straight onto Droidwich Road, Kidderminster Road.
You see that, Greg?
Yeah.
What the fuck did I just hit?
I don't know.
My
Oh,
whole ass just fucking slid.
I'll tell you what that is, mate. On that corner, classic, gravel in the middle. Every time.
Yeah.
Every fucking time.
Horrible. That was fucking horrible.
Yeah, every time. That's why I went fucking wide.
There are some cars coming.
Beautiful. The meat. Yeah, the whole rear just sort of shunted.
Yeah.
I felt it saucy.
Yeah.
Did Heavy want to get them?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah? Alright.
Oh, mate, the battery in the stones. You know, shitty road. I'm gonna stay back from you a little bit, mate, because I'm getting absolutely fucking back by stones. I don't know why.
Oh, yeah, no worries, mate. Yeah. Fucking
I'm gonna
awesome,
keep
son.
back. Where?
Well, it is there, to be
Oh,
fair.
it's horrendous. It's so cloudy.
Yeah. Feels like a little bit of rain coming in, doesn't it?
Yeah, we might actually get a bit of a drizzle, I reckon. Bit of a drizzle.
Stuff behind the truck.
Oh no! Come on!
I don't like it.
What the fuck?
Oh,
It was so
dear.
random.
Oh, hang on a minute. Who's winning there? What the fuck? Oh,
We
dear.
got an opportunity here. Absolutely bucket. Oh, fucking stones, man.
I know, I see what you mean. I'm just getting pelted by Paul.
Yeah, man. I was saying to Paul that the boots he's wearing now, I really like them.
The what?
Those white boots.
Oh,
Are
right.
they Alpines?
Hey, mine?
Alpines?
Yeah, they are, yeah.
Alpines, yeah. They look nice.
Well, I'm going to drop it to a 40 because usually there's usually a man on the border.
The fuzz.
Yeah. They're not always there, but you know what I mean.
Fuzzy boys.
Last
Oh,
time
yeah,
I come
'cause-
down here was with Greg and there was one at the side, weren't there, Greg? You remember?
Yeah, yeah.
You fucking wrecked on it.
What we get?
There's a mobile speed camera reported ahead.
Mobile speed camera reported ahead, guys.
There you go then, I told you, and you just do it on overtake. I don't think he would have been there then.
See all obstacles in my way.
Where is he? Where are you, Mr. Speed Camera Boy?
When our Nessie's moved on.
Yeah, probably. You would have been here normally, wouldn't he?
Well, I weren't going to risk it.
Or
It's like where we're going, man. Well, that one country lane is one of them as well.
Oh, yes. Watch that fucking thing, he's in the middle of the road. I am in it for ages, stuff to the Lido Park. This is where me and Becky had our first date.
Ah,
Yeah, the good old Lido Park. You can't get more chubby than that, can you?
fucking smoothie.
He was straight through the red, that cunt.
Just rode straight over a little stone. What a prick.
It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day.
Right on that methadone.
Someone's happy.
I don't know what they put in these fucking Rice Krispies these days, but I'm telling you now, I'm feeling fucking wired. Bright, Nothing, I was just fucking... I was doing about 110 down there with my head behind the
Oh yeah! 110, man. There was a time, probably about good, I don't know, 18 or 19, no, maybe 20 years ago, right?
Yeah.
I was in Hanbury Woods. My mate went to see a girl at a wedding. Wasn't her wedding, obviously, but he didn't realise she had a boyfriend. So her boyfriend had come out to see my mate snugging this girl, and about fucking we were teenagers at the time, and about 5 grown men came to beat us up, and they smashed the shit out of us in the woods, and we ran away. And then I called my mum at like 4 in the morning to come and pick me up from the fucking woods.
No way.
Yeah, I was asking where are you? He said, I don't know. So how we can fucking find you?
Oh, it was bad, man. Come ask me more if you want. Your man Royston.
Hello.
Yeah.
Come past you, Greg. Yeah, go.
Fuck's sake.
Well, they're not driving like a learner. I mean, they're doing the speed, isn't it?
The old really from the likes of Crossgate, are we?
No.
No, that's mid Wales, mate.
Yeah. It's
Really
what?
opposite. Well, that's mid Wales. That's the opposite directions where we are.
No, like I'm saying, like from where we live,
Yeah.
Oh right, sorry.
like the comfort that we have, like how close we actually are to some really fucking nice roads.
Yeah. It's on our doorstep, mate. You know, I mean, you're close to...
Oh, horses.
You're straight into Shropshire,
Yeah.
and then straight into Powys, you know, Wales. Yeah, I mean, everything's on the doorstep, really.
What's the actually the nearest point for us to get to Wales?
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh no, yeah.
Well, to get to Wales, you're probably looking at Barmouth, aren't you?
Barmouth, yeah.
It's straight west across.
Did they go in there on purpose?
I
think so.
Yeah. If they did turn around, didn't they?
They saw us, that's why.
Yeah, that's a big. Hey boys, did you hear that quick shift there?
Exit the roundabout onto A46. Continue on A46 for 5 miles.
Yeah, the fucking police are up here sometimes as well, aren't they?
Yeah, that's what I'm only doing 60. Yeah, I'll slow down before you can come past me.
Yeah, that car's overtaking the same time as Dave. What a view.
I've been recording, but I'm in front most of the time, ain't I? Come on, mate, I'm only doing 50.
I do.
Right in the battery. Oh, look at that car was making
Steady on, Tiger. Yeah.
Go.
I'll tell you what else as well is the bit rate, mates. That's puffing it up.
High dick rate.
High dick rate.
Could you do me a massive favour, Paul? And plug me in, please, mate.
Plug you in?
Yeah, into there.
I'd love to plug you in, Martin.
I can't do it like this. It's fucking...
I've been waiting for the day I met you and I'm about to plug you in. Is it the bottom one?
Yes, mate, the bottom one.
Slap her in,
Yeah,
mate.
there you go.
Yeah?
I slapped her right in.
No,
Thank you, babe.
No need for lubrication, she was ready.
No? Oh, she's as ready as Ray. Oh, yeah.
It's flashing red.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's live. She's live. I do apologise, guys, for slowing you down.
All right,
That's
mate.
alright.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Thank you, mate. I'll just keep it in my fucking tank bag, to be fair. We're going right up there, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yep. Yes, mate, yeah. Fucking I've been this way for ages. I'm going by memory now. I remember most of it.
Oh, mate.
Don't say I need a sat nav. Don't say
need it.
You need a sat
No, I
nav.
don't. No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Shut up, you. Don't get involved.
Oh, that's nice, that beamer.
Where was his number plate?
I was thinking that.
competition.
In the fucking window, wasn't it?
I never noticed. I just saw it.
Yeah.
Where's the reg?
Bloody window wanker. I don't really know this place at all, really, here. What town are we fucking in now?
Stratford.
Yeah. Fucking, I come down here with fucking Luke. It was pissing down the rain. I was on that 650.
Oh, no.
Absolutely fucking drenched, mate.
So tell me, lads, what is the CapCut like on editing? Because I'm actually with DaVinci Resolve, but it's quite complex at the minute, so I'm going to leave that for a while. I'm
That's
actually,
what me and Martin's using.
yeah, I was
In
thinking,
a quarter of a
looking
mile
at
at the
Filmora.
roundabout, continue straight to stay on Ulster Road.
It's good, but
A422.
there's a lot of stuff you have to pay for.
Okay. Where
I
CapCut?
don't know. Have you boys watched the most recent video I uploaded of Wales?
Yeah.
I tried to. I had to stop it, mate. I was getting dressed.
So the only thing I use in DaVinci is blurring out now. It's blurring out the speedo. That's the only thing I use it for now. Otherwise, it's primarily CapCut.
Yeah. Well, even.
I mean, me and
In a
Paul
quarter
find
of
it
a
really
mile,
user
turn
friendly.
left onto
that's
Arden
why.
Street. A439.
Yeah, I mean, I've blurred out in DaVinci. I mean, you've got to go into fucking Fusion for that, haven't you? And tracking.
Yes, yes.
But I know in Filmora there's IA tracking in that as well, and you just literally
IA tracking?
highlight it with a box or a circle, whatever shape you want, and it just fucking
We're
tracks
going
it.
left, boys.
Yeah.
Take the next left onto Arden Street. A439.
Yes, I know what you mean, mate.
So I'm gonna fucking try that Filmora, because I have about fucking 8 or 9 fucking editing to do. Just haven't had the time to do it. But today, this afternoon, and tomorrow is the days I'm going to be doing some editing.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, give it a bash. You might enjoy it. I mean,
Yeah.
fucking hell. How many programs have you used already, Paul?
I can't even put a number on it. I've
Yeah,
lost count.
exactly. Oh, Paul's in fucking Ibiza mode.
That's it.
what is she doing?
All I
Get my,
wanna do
John, get
is
my
do it.
John Travolta on, or whatever it is, that movie.
What the fuck is she doing?
She looks starving. Go give her a sandwich.
Is that a scourer she's using for her lips?
She's licking her phone, isn't she? Oh, she's licking her phone.
What the fuck? Fucking weirdo.
I lied.
It's weirdo Saturday day.
Maybe she thinks she's that pretty, she's just licking the fucking screen to herself.
She needs to do a bit.
Who's a pretty girl then?
She needs to do more fucking licking than that, I can tell you.
Oh, fucking hell, Lord.
What?
Continue straight onto.
I was only having a laugh, you took it to the next level.
Oh, yeah, sorry,
That's
mate.
what I never-
It's all fun. It's amongst mates and friends, and there's no, we're honest.
You
Fourth.
have a funny way of making friends, Roy.
Fuck you.
The first time you meet someone, you're about licking phones and shit. I don't know.
No, well, I fucking wasn't licking phones.
You can lick my phone if you want.
Which lane are we here, boys? Left.
Go on, Martin, kick him off the bike, mate, when you go through. Oh, as you're saying that, I don't think you're going to get the chance, mate, because you're turning left over the bridge here.
It's just Stratford-upon-Avon. Where are we?
Stratford?
Stratford-upon-Avon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we are. Oh my God, it's where me and Becky come here to go on a fucking on the canoes.
Nice here. Lovely.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, look at the swan.
We went on that wheel as well.
Left.
The unfortunate wheel.
I'm seriously thinking about buying the narrow boat. Well, really? Yeah.
Buying what?
The
Narrow boat.
Oh, okay.
One of these. On the canal.
It's going to be Greg of the Caribbean. Yeah, maybe Greg there, not Johnny there.
Yeah, March.
Yeah,
Look at the bases down here, Martin. Look on the right.
I know, man.
A lot of these were built new over the last 2 or 3 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, those ones we just passed there, they were fucking new. That one there's a fucking new one. And that fucker.
And that fucker. Mate, that looks like something on a fucking Mexico drug lord.
Yeah.
Ricardo.
I know this.
That one there, that was a new one.
Holiday home ownership.
Look at this fucker here on the right. Oh, me! Look at the size of that!
That's for sale down there, that white one.
Bloody hell.
We should all club together and
man.
buy a fucking big pad homie and have some fucking serious parties.
Oh, mate.
We'll name it the titty.
What's it?
We'll name it the titty twister.
I don't think I can get rid of this now.
It'd be difficult.
We could have told you that, Bull.
That's right.
It's just the talk on it, it's just fucking stupid, it puts a smile on your face. The only thing I don't like about it runs out of revs too quickly, that's my only gripe with it really.
Do we have a straight down here somewhere to do a little cheeky overtake? There's some kids.
Yeah, we're turning right in about 0.6 of a mile, mate. So
Oh, is it?
Wait, yeah.
yeah,
I was just waving to the kids in the back. They look very intrigued.
they're waving back, were they?
One of them flipped me off. He looks about 2.
He give you the bird, mate, did he?
Yeah, man.
Rip his
He was
wing,
up back there.
rip the wing mirror off, mate. Yeah, we're turning right up here.
Locksley Lane. What a fantastic name.
Here we
Oh
go.
no, it's Airfield.
Yeah, right.
That's it, you can get your fake fucking RSTs now, we're in Wellsbourne.
Oh yeah.
Shit.
Was it there?
No,
Yeah.
no, no,
Oh shit.
no, no. Over here, mate.
Was it?
I thought that was it. Still all the planes.
Oh, I think it's
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah. I thought someone's got that for them. Oh fuck.
It didn't turn in, I think, it was turning.
Oh, quite out.
Yeah, that's what I was indicator.
Yep.
I was not, it was just the wrong turn.
Follow the blinky
What's the gravel here, mate?
Oh yeah, very gravelly. Where are you parking, Roy?
Yeah, that's...
I just normally park here, mate. Just down there, look, just along there. Be good.
I'll link up next to you then, my mate. Oh, bloody hell. It is slippery. Very slippery. Fucking hell. Oh, what you prick. Fucking hell. Just giving myself a cramp trying to push him back. Oh, God, that was horrible.
Well, that was a pleasant ride out, lads.
What's up, homie? That was a pleasant ride, actually. I really enjoyed those roads down there, man. It was really good. Really good ride.
Enjoyed that.
That was good, wasn't it? All right, you mad bastard.
You mad bastard. That's wanted to be as sharp as it was on Force Finest. Oh, it's back to him, I don't know what that is. Oh yeah.
Well,
Yeah, I've got my sat nav on, but I don't know which way you boys want to go, so...
Yeah, it's go round to the left. The road follows round to the left, I think.
Okay. Oh yeah, it does, yeah. It's like a little left bend. Oh yeah. We're going into Titting. Got the titting. Video, that's packed up and it gets you less views.
Bloody hell.
Well, that's me fucked, because I swear within fucking 30 seconds
I was going to say, we've pretty much fucking banjaxed, haven't we?
Yeah. Are we turning around here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Turn around. Come on, bro. Christ, you're in a car, mate.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, you bandits. The fucking XVS just shouted through somebody's intercom. Oh, look at that. Look at the water here. Don't know why, but every time I see open water like this, I just want to go in for a fucking swim.
Greg Carney's got a KTM.
Yeah. KTM.
That exhaust looks a lot better there, Greg.
looks better.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I can see straight down the fucking lion's mouth here, mate.
KTM stands for keep throwing money at it.
Stands for what?
Keep throwing money.
That sounds meaty.
Yeah.
Bien.
Guys, is there fucking crossing on red?
No.
Start recording. Oh, look.
Clear, guys. Oh shit, I think we're supposed to be going this way.
What the fuck is going on up there?
What is going on there?
Where you going, boys?
I don't know, he said to go this way.
That's what my sat nav said.
Up there.
Oh, my sat nav said left.
Oh, my sat nav said this way.
Okay.
No.
Got to go round again.
Martin, where you going?
Oh, I have no idea. My sat nav says now just go straight on, carry on straight on, obviously.
Yeah, we have to.
Got to go
Oh,
round.
you
mate.
take the lead.
Oh.
Come on, take the
We
lead.
have to go back.
I'm only following my sat nav.
Right, Matt.
Fuck
Here
me,
we
we're
go
stuck in
again.
this shit again.
Fucking hell.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, well done, whoever was in the front.
Fucking Mercedes.
You fucking idiot in the front.
Give him a burst, Paul. Give him a burst.
Who?
You.
One.
Well, who's got us in this fucking situation?
Oh, what a beautiful day it is.
Yeah.
It's dry. Thank fuck for that.
Yes.
This fucking Jacass is cooking me.
Sorry, mate.
103 fucking degrees.
Paul's getting his ass fucking on the rare side.
Oh, fucking hand.
See, my sat nav's saying again, it's 6 minutes slower to go left that way, that's why. It sent me right.
We're going back Joy, which way are we? Is that the way we're going?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
We'll keep left
Cool.
to the lights, turn left.
Yeah.
Or it might take you straight on actually.
Oh,
Straight over.
Henley and Arden, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just what you do. He's coming at some speed, isn't he?
This fucking idiot here, look.
I'm a bit more wary than what I used to be.
Oh, what's this old man doing? Fucking hell. Lady. Some shit in the middle of the road. What is that? Oh no, it's a bit of fucking gravel. Fucking hell. Oh, gravelly all over the place. Jesus. Looks like fresh gravel as well. Like it's just come off a fucking back of a
Yeah.
7-tonner.
Resurfacing shit.
I don't know how to warn Dave.
He's behind me, I'm just trying to point to him.
You have to try and do sort of sign language for a hedgehog. How does that go?
I don't know. I know it's even hurting my brain just to try to think about how I could do it.
Yeah, alright. Hedgehog!
Oh,
Just stick your head fingers up on your fucking helmet. Spiky. Spiky thing in the middle of the road. Heading to billionaire, so we go left here, yeah?
Italian man with the ginormous bulge.
That's it, mate. Luckily I can slip into these size 11 boots.
I was not in the right gear for that shit. Nearly ended up in that fucking, in front of that 4x4.
Did you?
Actually, probably the same person just fucking teleported to be a major inconvenience to us.
Oh, we did, yeah. Is it that bitch that cut me off on the island? Wasn't it?
Yeah.
Same
My dad-
Pedro!
Yeah, my dad said
Be
he went to
careful,
the
that
curb.
one went to the curb.
Bitch,
Yeah.
go on
Is it
then.
fucking Mondeo?
Go on, Mart.
Front?
Can have some fun,
That is
mate.
this one.
Go on, lads.
Good as right. Oh, it's chucked fucking gravel all over me. You fucker. And again,
What the
it's British down centre. Yeah,
Fucking,
what was that?
that was a Mercedes.
Back.
That fucking Mercedes that went past.
AMG.
Well,
C63 or something.
yeah.
You're that's clear. That's the thing. Yes.
It was fucking raspy, I know that.
White estate car.
What are you doing? You having a smoke?
Yeah,
Is that what you're doing?
yeah, have a quick
Oh.
smoke, mate. Do you want one or not?
Well, wait a few are, yeah.
Yeah, fuck it.
I won't say no to nicotine.
Exactly. I won't say no to nicotine. Tickanine. Right, do you know what? Bob's a bit of a fucking cunt here, to be fair. People coming out of the fucking car wash. Oh, fuck them. There we are. Oh.
Number 1, please. Thank you.
Yeah, number 8, please.
Hey Greg, did you see the packets of Durex on your left hand side, mate? Grab a couple of packets, would you?
Cheers, mate. Top.
Okay, you could get a coffin in there.
Huh?
You could get a coffin in there.
Start laughing, the guy didn't know what's going on.
I said to your dad when he was paying at the...
Yeah. All blacked out windows and stuff, so, are you turning left here, Roy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where you'll be going as well, Paul, won't you? Because I'll take you back to B&M down there.
Yes, mate.
Yeah, lovely. Well, it's been a pleasure, gents.
Cheers, mate. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon, yeah?
Lovely. Thank you.
Good luck with selling your...
Thanks for the ride, Roy, man.
Yeah, no worries, mate. Good luck with selling your bike, mate.
Certainly. We'll see how it goes tonight. I'll
Good luck, kid.
See you later, mate.
See you later, boys.
See you gents later.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, no, I think he's behind me.
What's that?
I think it was Martin. Yeah, that fucking Dave's bike sounds awesome, doesn't it?
No. Want to come in front of me, Roy?
Yeah, cheers for today, mate. Been enjoyable.
Yeah, it's alright, mate. Not to worry. Anytime I'm free, really. I mean, I'll go out next weekend.
Yeah.
And I think I'm having 2 weeks off, I think.
Okay.
And then I'll be doing, I think it's Baffle House the next one.
Right.
We've got a list of dates, you see,
Right.
of going out. So I know Baffle House is the 25th or 6th or something. I can't remember.
Okay.
I will make a video on this as well. I don't know whether I'll have time today. I'm a little bit busy.
Well, I've got fucking about 7 fucking videos to make. So that's what I'm having this weekend off with now. So
Oh, okay.
I'm going to be doing plenty of videos today. I'm going to put them up schedule
Yeah.
on YouTube. So
I'll be tuning in and watching them once they are done.
Yeah, cheers, mate. Yeah, be gentle.
Where are you going, past B&M?
Yeah. You going straight down? You going straight on, are you? The next island.
I'm gonna go past B&M and then head towards Droitwich again.
Oh, okay, got you.
Wanker doing.
See you later, mate.
Kaboom!
See you later, buddy.
Have a good one.
Yeah, have a nice afternoon, mate, with the family.
I certainly will. Unless she's got jobs for me to do.
That could be, yeah, that could be a thing, mate. Well, you can always.
She mentioned about picking up slabs earlier.
Oh, fuck yeah, have a great afternoon, mate.
Cheers, mate, and you.
Cheers, bud.
Catch you later, buddy.
See you later, mate.
See you later.
Ta-ra, Paul.
Ta-ra, mate.